Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add alternative text to your listing photos in your Etsy store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, the first thing we can do is go and log into our account if you have not already. If you do not already have an account, just go and create one. So after logging in, now we can get started opening up the shop manager. Once you open up the shop manager, this is going to enable you to set up your store. If you do not already have one set up, or if you already have a store, you can access your store settings directly from the shop manager right here. And now we can go and get started following this article right here in the official Etsy Help Center on how to add a text alternative to your listing images. So basically guys, we are going to go and sign into Etsy.com and go to the shop manager. So this is going to enable us to open up the shop manager just like I explained and open up your listings. So open up the listing section and then select the listing you want to add a text alternative to. So once you've done that, you can select the photo you want to add alternative text to, and just like that, in the alt text section, describe your listing's image in detail. This is going to enable you to finish up your text once you are done and click the apply button. So just like that, you are going to go and be able to add alternative text to any post and listing that you have. If you need more help, go to the official Etsy Help Center, take a look at this article and get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.